Well, let's focus on NHPC. The stock is a little bit lower, I think, in trade in reaction to its Q1 numbers. The margins disappointed, but revenue saw a growth, with the power generation also double-digit growth. We have with us Mr. Goyal, the Chairman, Managing Director, and the Director of Finance who joins us on the show. Hi, Mr. Goyal. Thanks a lot for joining in. Well, in the first quarter, we saw 11% generation growth. For the year, what kind of a growth are you seeing? And how is the overall demand-supply scenario panning out right now?
Since we have commenced our Power 2 in current year, and there is increase in generation of Power 3 also, and we have already commissioned 214 megawatt of big solar project. So we are seeing a growth of around 15% in the generation in current financial year, and the similar growth will be in the revenue and PAT also.
Parvati sir, how many units have been commissioned? When do we see the entire facility, all the units getting commissioned? If you could tell us, and what kind of contribution can it give to your numbers?
We have commissioned 3 units of Power 2 on 1st of April 2055, and balance 1 unit has been commissioned on 16th of April. So all the 4 units with 800 megawatt has already been commissioned, and it is generating very well.
What is the expected contribution, sir, from Parvati for FY26?
For FY26, we are expecting around 500 crore of PAT in current financial year.
Okay. And for Subhanchari, when can we, you've got 3 units which you plan commissioning. When will that happen?
We are ready for commissioning with 3 units as of now. But due to pending clearance from the NDSA, we are likely to commission 4 units in the first week of October 2025, and balance 5th unit will be commissioned in January 26. So during current financial, we will commission 5 units with 1250 megawatt of capacity, and balance 3 units will be commissioned in the coming financial year, one by one.
You know, the National Dam Safety Authority, the NDSA, visited the project to review plans. Have there been any demands, any cost escalations, any upgrades you need to do here before you commission these?
NDSA visited in the month of May, and they have given certain tasks to be completed before commissioning. So we are working on those items which have negligible cost, but it will be completed in September month itself, and we are expecting visit of NDSA in the month of August itself. So we are very sure to commission this project in the month of October 2025.
No, got that. You know, you established a dedicated, a renewable energy arm, NHPC Renewable Energy Limited, NREL.
Yes, you are right.
What's happening there, and what is the plan? I think you indicated some separate listing as well.
No, there is no plan to list this company, because the capacity is yet to come in this company. Basically, we are a hydro company, and we are focusing on hydro, particularly after this IWT suspension. So we are doing little bit in solar and wind, but we are doing solar business in NHPC itself, holding company itself, and we are doing the work in REA mode.
Sorry, what is the NREL going to do then, sir? Because this is renewable itself, right?
Yes, it is also renewable, but hydro is also very much renewable, and we are focusing on hydro more.
Right. No, so what will NREL do?
NREL will do solar projects in future, depending upon the viability and considering the return on equity at least 12%. Otherwise, we will not do solar project below that 12% return on equity.
Right. Got that. So nothing really firmed up. I mean, you'll do it if it's viable, as you said.
Yes.
Okay. Now, capex target for the year stands at about 13,000 crores. It's about 13% higher year on year. Could you give us a sense of how much has been spent?
Yes.
And is there any change to it?
Last year, we incurred 11,600 crore as capex, and for current year, it is 13,000 crore. We have already incurred 3,700 crore up to, and in the first quarter, it remains at lower side because of monsoon. But in the coming period, we are very much hopeful to achieve the target of 30,000 crore.
Have you set a long-term 5-year capex target, sir?
Yes. We have capex target for next 10 years, and it is in the range of 13,000 to 15,000 crore annually. During current year, we are going to float tenders of around 5,500 megawatt capacity in hydro, considering Sawalkot 760 megawatt, Kamla 1620 megawatt, Subansiri Upper again 1800 megawatt. We have already floated tender for Durasti stage 2 and Uriban stage 2, taking together capacity of these two projects 600 megawatt. So our capex is very robust, and the coming decade is for hydro only, because renewable is coming in big way, and to support the grid, hydro is must.
Okay, we leave the conversation here. Thank you very much for joining in.